Hey guys, welcome back to my video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing the last unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. This one has a supposedly open pull tab. Yeet. Let's see. Got the charger, and that seems to be it in the package. Got a Sanyo proprietary charger. Looks like it's a aftermarket generic charger, nothing special. This is a Sanyo SCP-8100 if I remember right. It's an extremely bulged battery. Yep, SCP-8100. It's obviously a Sprint device. It was charged in the photo, so it probably died. Like I said, that battery does not look to be in very good shape either. And this phone's been sitting around for almost about a month before I was able to open it. So, here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.